Odisha. Have you been Odisha? Pardon, which part are you in India? Of course, definitely I know Patna and it is a capital of Bihar, right? Yes, yes. Okay, are you a student or are you working? I'm a student. Which department are you studying? Recently I completed my bachelor degree. Wow. Then what was your branch name? Which branch? Yeah, means what is your department? Because I think are you technical student or are you non-technical student? I'm a technical student. Okay, okay. Then right now, do you wanna pursuing your higher degree, right? Yes. Okay. Have you completed your graduation within your state or outside of state? In my from actually. Okay, that's good. Then, what type of job do you wanna do in future? In future, we completed. Now I will complete my master degree and from the university. After that, I can get job in any company for the position of manager because I'm uh, studying management. So, right, right. Then advance all the best. As soon as possible, you get your destination where you want to reach. May God bless you. Yeah. Then you tell management means you tell means that kind of how to run the company and how to advise the any department. Do you study this kind of subject? I don't have much idea about management. Yes, you can take some in management. There are 4 to 5 module like sales, marketing, HR, finance, and operation, and management you controlling, directing, and planning. And you guide the right. You guide entrepreneur who want to set up any business or if any company, big company, they have miss company, then you guide them and you focus their everything, right? All department. If yes, they make mistake, then you yes, support them and you grow their business. Okay, that's good. Then yes, yes, of course. Okay, do you talk with anyone in English with your friends, or do you wanna enhance your English speaking, or what else? Do yes, I want to. Mhm. Okay, okay, I get the point. If you meet any co-learner, then you talk with them because you want to enhance your English speaking, right? Then apart from this platform, do you use different platform to enhance your English speaking, or what type of activities do you take to enhance your English speaking? Wow, which country do you wanna go? Which okay, okay, I got your point. You want to go to UK, right? And that's why now you are preparing IELTS exam, right? And have you yes, Have you ever appeared any IELTS exam or is it your first attempt? Okay, then have you joined any coaching center to take advice from any tutor, guider, or mentor, or are you self-learner? O- Then do you take online or offline class? Online. Okay, that's good. Once again, advance all the best. Definitely you succeed in IELTS exam and you get a good band like a 789 and you get a good university in US and you go there and you study there and you build your better future. That's good. Then yeah, and I Okay, I know Hindi, but I am not a fluent speaker in Hindi. My mother tongue Odia. I am from Odisha, then my mother tongue Odia, but I cannot speak fluently Hindi. I can speak fluently my mother tongue, and I cannot speak Hindi and English fluently, and I am beginner Hindi and English. Yeah, I have written my name is Lorna. You call me Lorna because I want to motivate myself as a learner because I want to enhance my English speaking. I'm a language learner. That's why I have written my name is Lorna. Then you call me Lorna because I want to motivate myself, right? Because you can understand how much required in English speaking, English language in our life, right? Because if you want to go to abroad and for your higher study and you want to do miss you want to grow your professional life, you want to improve your professional life in future. That's why you want to enhance your English speaking, right? And you are practicing here in English. How much time do you invest with language per day? How much time do you invest with language per day? Hello? 2 to 4 hours, right? Okay. What type of activity do you take to enhance your English speaking? Because I also takes four modules, means four skill: listening, reading, and writing and speaking part, right? And do you practice four skill regularly? Because do you have any friend or practice with them in speaking? But how do you practice listening and how do you practice writing? How do you practice reading skill? How do you do? Okay. Right. Hmm. Oh, okay, that's good. Because Miss language has four skill also, right? LSW, right? Reading, writing, listening, and speaking. And it has interconnection each other. If you take only two skill, listening and speaking, and you don't do reading and writing, then it will take time to be better in English language, right? Then practice regularly four skill. We have to invest 20 minutes or 30 minutes per skill. Then definitely within short period anyone become a good speaker. I'm not telling they can they have a good knowledge about language deeply, right? Not like